Here's part 2 and the final reveal for my younger daughter's room. Before we put down the floor, we did remove all tack strips, all staples, fix any unlevel spots, as well as put down screws where we could see the joist lines and we could hear that it was squeaky. So that's the best time to do it. You just walk around and kind of bounce and you'll hear the squeaky spots. Put down a screw right on that joist line where the nails are already showing, and your subfloor will be secured. And then your new floor will cover right over it and you'll never see it and you'll never hear it. Works really, really well. So we did an LVP called Aquaseal. It's a 12mm board in Chestnut, and it is so incredibly durable. We have it through all of our downstairs, kids, dogs, water, rain, all of it, and it holds up super well, never scratches. My husband and I work really well together putting it down, so we put the underlayment first, recommended by them, and then put down the boards. You hammer tap them together, kind of a noisy process, but you figure out the rhythm and it works really well. So then we put down all the trim, put the closet doors back up, the curtains back up, installed some wire shelving that's adjustable in the closet, and then we moved my daughter from across the hall into her new room. Remind her what it looked like before and what it looks like now, with her decals up on the wall, all her stuff moved in, and with her out of her old room, we could start working on the office. So stay tuned.